Hey, welcome to 15 Minute Chef, and today my lovely assistant is going to be Mr. Brantley John. Brantley John, will you say hello?
Hello.
He is going to help me show y'all how easy it is to make strawberry ice cream. So real quick, I just want to tell y'all we had to do some preparation before we started the show, which is in this bowl is 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, a little pinch of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla, and I only do 1/4 of a cup of sugar because Brantley likes fresh strawberries and we're gonna add some fresh strawberry mix. Right, Brantley? Okay, so one of the things that's so awesome about these little ice cream machines is they're really quick, they're really efficient, they're super easy to use. The only thing is the actual bucket that runs the ice cream, you have to leave it in the freezer for at least 2 days for it to be super cold enough to make the ice cream. So I'm gonna grab it real quick. Brantley, tell everybody what's some of your favorite ice creams.
Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla.
I like all of those. That's pretty good. So we're gonna put the ice cream maker together like this, put it all together, and you can go ahead and turn it on, and as you can hear right now, it's already going. So as it's spinning, you're just gonna dump your cream, milk, sugar, vanilla extract, pinch of salt mixture right in there. Right, Brantley?
Yeah.
So as it's turning, and this whole process, so with this being 15 Minute Chef, we're not gonna be able to show you all of it, but we're gonna show you a good bit of it. So as it's spinning, it's actually becoming ice cream. But let me explain. When it's done, it's not gonna be ice cream like you're thinking. It's gonna be more like soft serve, which is why you need to put it in a container and then put it in the freezer, and then it's gonna get hard, right, Brantley John? Exactly. The strawberries. You're not gonna add your strawberries till the last 5 minutes of the process. So as this is going, we'll let it spin, and then we'll come back and get you guys when it's almost there. We'll add the strawberries in and you can see the final result. See you in a second. Okay, so we're back. Our ice cream is almost ready. And what are we gonna do now, Brantley?
Put the strawberries in.
That's right, we're gonna put the strawberries in. So we're just gonna start dumping them in there. And as we dump them in there, the machine is gonna do all the work of just turning the strawberries into the ice cream. How's it looking, Brantley? Is it looking good? Let's show our viewers what it looks like. Oh, it's looking good. Strawberry ice cream. Happy person.
Yeah.
And strawberry ice cream. Alright, so that's our episode of 15 Minute Chef. This is a short video of how to make strawberry ice cream in your little ice cream maker. Stay tuned for more fun episodes with all kinds of guests. See you guys soon.